So in this session, we are going to learn that how to include the media files in HTML. So there are a lot of kind of media files like image, like audio, like video. So let's just get started with the image. So for image, we have a tag that is img. Okay, this is a self-close tag. You can close this like this. Okay, and this will give you a space to put your image. And now we have to give the attribute of this tag, and this is the first time we are using the attribute. So whatever we write after putting a space of the tag is called as attribute of that tag. So for the image, we have src. Src stands for source. Now we need to give the path of this image. So there are two kind of paths. One is relative path and one is absolute path. So now I'm going to give the relative path here, which is in my media folder. There is an image that is weekend for learning.png. So I've just given the source of this image. Now let's just save this and see into the browser. Yeah, you can see that there is a huge image. So by default, the image will be rendered on its default resolution, and its default resolution is 1920 into 1080. Now we can scale it down because we want to see the entire image. So we can write the width equals to 300 and height, sorry, there is a spelling mistake, 300. So you can see that we have written two more attributes. I've already written source, which is the first attribute, and now two more attributes is width and height. The order doesn't matter in which order you are writing the attribute, but the value matters. Okay, so we have written width and height of the images as 300 pixel, and now just go into here and refresh it. You can see that the image scaled down into the 300 square. Okay, now you can see that the aspect ratio of this image is not appropriate. Okay, and we should not play with the aspect ratio. So what we can do for this? So if I have forcefully given the height and width, image itself has to resize the aspect ratio. So for just to maintain that aspect ratio, we can give only one parameter. We can give only height or only width. So for my case, I want only width. Let's say I want only width and I remove the height. So it will take the 300 width and it will give the height automatically according to the aspect ratio. Okay, now see this. Yeah, now the aspect ratio is totally good, and you can now see the image into your view as well. Okay, so this is how we used to use the image. Okay, there's one more important thing that we can use for the image. So there is one more attribute, that is alt. Alt stands for alternative or alternate. Okay, so in case we are not able to download this image, or we are not able to reach this image, or there is some error occurred and this image not get loaded, now there should be some placeholder text or some text which says about this image. So this image is all about weekend for learning. Okay, now if I save this and run this, nothing we can see. Now how to check whether it is working or not? Let's say if I put a slash in between or a space in between and now check. So this is the wrong source we have given, and now image won't be loaded. So if I reload this, you can see the broken image here, and now you can see the message as well, weekend for learning. And let's say if I remove this message from here, you won't be able to see anything. There is just only a broken image. And now at least we have to give a appropriate message in case we are not able to provide the image. So here we can have a placeholder text for this. So let's just correct this and now run. Yeah, we have the image. So that's how we can have the image. Okay, now what about the video? If we want to add the video into our HTML, now this is again a media. Okay, I understand. So let's before adding a video into the HTML, we first need to create the video player. Now how to create a video player? Just let's come here and let's create a video. Okay, so this is the tag for the video, and this will create a video player for you. Okay, so here I will write the width. Again the same thing. If I'm not providing the width or the height, it will open the video on the default resolution. Let's say if we have having the video into the 1920 into 1080 resolution, that will be loaded into the same resolution. So we need to scale it down. We can write the width 300 as we did into the image tag as well. So similarly, okay, so now we have video player, and now we need to give the source, and in the source there is a src, and this we can give media and the video link. Okay, and then we have to write the type equals to, it is a video of mp4 form. Okay, so this how source will work. Okay, so now we can, I think we can see the video. Okay, so this how, let's run it. Now you can see that we have a video over here, but we have just the first screen of the video. We are not able to run this video. Now to run this video, we must have the controls, that there must be some controls like to play the video, like, you know, pause the video, like go to the full screen for the video. So for that we have an attribute of video tag, which is controls. So now we have provided the controls to the video container, and now if we go to refresh the page, you can see that there are a lot of controls: play, pause, and there is a sound control, there is a, you know, full screen control, there is a picture control, there is a lot of control. And if I play, there is a track bar as well. We can, you know, move forward and come back to the video. And if I play this, if you like HTML and CSS and JS, and you can right channel for you, slow down the voice, you can go to the full screen as well, like this. Okay, so this how we created image and the video. So I hope you are able to include the media files now. Similarly, we can add the audio as well. We need to create an audio player first, we need to provide the controls, and then we need to provide the source. Thank you. In the next session we learn more things about these things. Okay, thank you.